my YouTube channel. My name is Tando _Mtimkulu on all my socials, TikTok, Instagram. Guys, please do like, please do comment, and please do subscribe. Ne? So today it was office day. Ne? Lunch. Okay, just before lunch I get a call. Hey Sissy, please come downstairs here to the reception. There's a delivery for you. Blah blah blah. I'm like, me, not delivery at work, no hal. Okay, then I go downstairs and guys, I got flowers, guys. Like, yo, this was a surprise. Shame, I loved the surprise. I don't know. Guys, we took the delivery. I am so happy. Kawarata amatle. I gotta get to this whole thing because I'm like but yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you my flowers. And this made my day. How to call it day? A week. This made my week, guys. Like, I'm so happy. Thank you for the flowers. So yeah, I'm trying to get it now, and then and then we bought food for Abuti and everyone at home. So now I'm just gonna chill, eat, shower, watch a bit of TV, sleep, because I'm going to the office again tomorrow, guys. So yeah, this was my fit for today. So this top, I got it years ago, like 10 years back. It showed the fix. Yeah, I got it from the fix years ago. And then this dress, it's very sentimental, guys. And I think you wanna know. It's a very sentimental thing. It's a sentimental piece. My friend who passed on gave me this dress. I really liked it, and she was like, "Oh, me." So it's very sentimental to a point. I just love this dress, and I got these shoes about 4 years or 5 years ago from Spur. So yeah, this was my work fit. That's me, guys. So yeah, guys, thank you. Probably tomorrow or over the weekend. I don't know yet what we're gonna do, what stuff we're gonna get up to. Yeah, so all I know was Sunday Black Friday. Black Friday was on, so I don't know. We'll see, but I'm going to work. I'm going to the office. So yes, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye, guys. Guys, I got these mangoes sighting on the road. So I was passing by and there was a lady selling them, and I was like, no, let me just support, because I love mangoes and I know it's the season for mangoes. So I got these from here. I'm enjoying them so much. So let us support the guys. Never do lang kanila. Sabi may bawa na. Yo! Nakatugi. Kilmatili ko lang. So there's wind and then kulit ko na now. So may mabarik sang kanila ba emang bo drobotong bo sighting la pavement and stuff. I usually do support them guys because it takes a lot for a person to do that. And sometimes it's just so hot. It's extremely hot. Kapabulayana and they're still there. They still do it. So I support that name. So Gareka Bona shame. I don't wanna like Gareka Bona. Kapa supporter. So I hope Liluna guys you're doing the same because it really takes a lot for a person to do such. So today's a Sunday. I'm listening to my music. Where the flowers stuck at the smart. Waka nut. Imameti music waka. Nobody Sundays are full of it, so I'm listening to my music. Guys, not lightning and guys how. Okay guys. But all gonna later about I know whenever. Bye. Hi guys, I'm home alone. The kids have left. Jessie has left. So hi guys, I'm home alone. The kids have left. Andy has left. I thought this was going to be an exciting time for me because I'd finally have the house to myself. I miss my kids. I miss Andy. I just had a shower now, so I don't want to be alone. So I am going out. Buffalo wings. So I decided, no man, can we just go to Spur and just have buffalo wings? So I am just preparing while Kimameti music. I'm just gonna look for something to wear. Nothing fancy. I'm just listening to my music and drinking some wines. So yeah, I can update that until. See you later guys. Guys, so I'm about to leave now. So Nikkel drinks a fella this mirror. Sikeni, as well. Sikeni, finally. The selfie still goes on more. Halali bona kinna. Haladi bona kinna. The selfie still goes on nana. Anyways, this is my fit. I'm wearing this. I got it from the Fix years ago. So I got it at the Fix years ago. I'm wearing my Adidas crop top. I'm wearing my Adidas tight. And I'm wearing, it's chilled, it's Friday. And I'm wearing my Nike slides. And I'm carrying this bag that I took from my mom. So I hope y'all can see me. So, you mean hello, guys. So this is me. Prepare to get sick of me. Prepare to get sick of me. So yeah, guys, gaspe, kilojadi wings. So yeah, I'll see you later, guys. Morning guys, welcome to my chip channel. It's another day, it's another dollar. So yeah guys, today is a Sunday. I was supposed to go out to a bright vibe. The weather is so gloomy. Pulayana lona, so I cancelled the plan. So and I thought to myself, why? Because I've got the whole day to myself. So sorry. I might as well get my get leaks because my installation is for patch fell. I feel like I rip off every time because I feel like I remember patch fell and stuff. So now I give it leaks, some of the things that look for installation, and then get show the tutorials thing, get installer le abuto and filimano. I don't install it. It's just unfortunate to like I can't but right now we're going out install like install because I was supposed to install today so so it hasn't dried out yet. So hopefully it's nothing a hair dryer won't fix. So like a hair dryer, and everything else that's needed for the installation. Because I do have a bit of things I saw installer like someone need. So today I want to teach myself with a clean installation so yeah guys, I might just take you with the products that thing. That's the plan for the day, and nothing much. And just a bit of TV. Oh, like, because depends on when I can say it because of weather in Anna. Maka December in Anna, why play na jevato? How we going to like this December is not December. Every day, pulayan. Askisin shabat banyalang, what banale misebezi. You know what? I'm so sorry about this, guys. I'm here, like the blessings, and we do appreciate that. But if I want a chance about December, if I want a chance about December. So yeah, guys. So this is my fit. I'm wearing this Puma jumpsuit, these Puma stickers, and top inana. I think Pick and Pay clothing. So this is my fit for the day. So hurry guys, let's go. guys, I am back. So I got into from this mega general store. It's a store in Alberton. So it's all a white cycle installer because I don't even have the energy for this, but let's get to it and see if it was a Hi guys, after 2 hours installer, this is what I managed to come up with. It's not the best, it's not the best, but but installer, kudos to you guys. I just thought, I always had this thing, I just sit on a chair, and then and I'm paying in this is so easy. It's not, guys. It's not. It's not easy. Whole 2 hours installer. The concealer, keep in lab. Keep in 2 hours just for this. I get but here for the first time, I am not gonna butcher myself or getting. For the first time, I think I did well. With a lot of practice, I think I will nail it one day. One day, this is what I came up with. Like it's not perfect. Like but at least I am happy. So it look like a practice until ke shape hantle. Ha ke tswa yona ke kena di eyelashing. Ha ke tswa di eyelashing ke kena manaleng. Salon ba tlo ntoya 2026 ba tlo ntoya salon. So now inch. Yeah, I like it. I like it for monana and stuff, but who do like shopong, do this and this. But I get low ya plugins installer but machine. So guys, get lolibana later on kapahosan kilo puta meseki is the mwal kabanan mo. So I'll see you guys. So guys, video closure that closure is not the way so I decided to force the side part because anyways I had the side part concealer. And thanks, it's 100% better. Let me come a bit closer. but at least it's not that bad. So because closure, I don't know what's happening. I'm not happy with it, so that's why I did this. Mara guys, for a first timer, Fendi flowers for a first timer because I did a pretty good job. So guys, this is the final product. The final because so this is the final product. I think I love it, guys. Honestly speaking, I think I love it more. This one, I love it. I love it. Sharp. Shame. I love it. I love it. Please tell me what you think, guys. Please let me know what you think. Or should I continue? But chances are no mamela because get okay on a final product. Good night. Hey guys, this is the end of this video. It has been a long video, like to killing video enana. So yeah, I'm closing this vlog. I did my hair yesterday and then I'm not feeling it. It really takes time for me to warm up to yona. So I figured the eyelashes, what's this? My eyebrows. Maybe I'll feel some type of way kayona. This hairstyle was inspired by Nomalanga. I don't know her surname, but Nomalanga. She's an actress on this, I think it's a series, Gold Mines or Gold something. Yes, shout out to her. She inspired this, but I just need to juice it up because I keep liak. It's hanela yena. It's saying so close the eyebrows saka. And then on Saturday, I went to a 50th wedding anniversary. Imagine guys, 50th wedding anniversary. So it was my boyfriend's grandparents' anniversary. I was invited there. Unfortunately, I didn't vlog because guys, this is new to me. I don't even know in front of the cameras or not, so I just didn't want to make everyone or anyone feel uncomfortable. And there's people around as well. So yeah, they were celebrating 50th. It was so beautiful. Like, I was so inspired. So inspired. 50 years lenyalong. 50 years lenyalong. Yo, I was so inspired, guys. I wish that for myself as well. So everyone who knows me knows that I am very big on love. And then love. So I just hope I can experience that one day. And yeah, it was beautiful, man. Familiar thing. They're so welcoming, guys. It's the first time I'm experiencing that. They are so welcoming. I blend in very well. I'm not into the snacks in shame. Next about the camera and stuff. Moment and just be in the moment and not focus on shoot the angle. So yeah, that's what I did on Saturday. And then on Sunday, I was off. Kile wood meat. I never ka fola line those wood meat. I never. Guys, really theme high for Christmas this year. Ne? So, kile wood meat ke re ka nai ke kilo share because there's a few things ke di ratang. Yo, ha ke re line na never shame. I never ka fola line eo. Ke tla bona ka parang ke na le tsona dintho tsa theme eo. It's just that ne batla photlo tse ntjha tsa Christmas. Yes, ke batla tsa Christmas tse ntjha. So I ka khona fola na line eo na never shame. Ka cheta ka kilo patala mo. But I never to buy fola guys. But by fall line and it was so hot on Sunday. Ke tlo khona etsa ntho for cheleta re kilo spend nang ka reng ba lo mfa mahala. So that's what I did on Sunday. Yeah, there's nothing much. Nikil update fela ka ntho. Se ke fitlile ke ka ntle re ke keneng ke lo tsa di eyebrows ka before tlala ke December everyone batla with something. So maybe after the eyebrows nana ke tla fila hairstyle enana. So yeah guys, this is the end of the vlog. Please do follow, subscribe guys. Go pala subscribing clem. Eseng hambi ke go pala subscribing because ke wa moya hle ha le subscribe ha le commenting. Like go pala subscribe. Like guys, do you know hore inkile nako e kae hore ke be right ka YouTube ke khono ho imagine in front of the camera and talk to people. Like guys, fear high rate. That's one thing I'm gonna say. Fear high rate. Skabela fear. O tantse di rasa fa. Ai. So fear guys high rate because I've always wanted to do this, ne? And ke batla yetsa ka nako lockdown e qala nahana ke nimbo 2019 e ka be ke le kae. No, had I started then guys ke kopa le starteng thongo longo batla ngo start whether ke business whether ko ya sekolong whether ko etsang thongo longo batla whether ke sports o keep a fit o etsang guys it is no jena and if o sa yetsi you will never know hore o notlo excela ho yona kapa inotlo ba jwang. You will never know hore why enjoy it to the fullest into kapa jwang. Fear hai right na fear like in preventile from ho starta ba ka be le khale ke startile 100 e ka be ke sa sokole. So o understand. So guys, you must start nthong longo batlang ho yetsa while you still have time, because imagine guys o sona le bo 60 years on tso ipotsa ish Asa ishoja ka qala business yani nkabe ke le kae mhlomong wa tseba if ke ne ke qadile YouTube e ka be se ke le kae mhlomong wa tsa ne ke le sekolong e ka be se ke le doctor. You will never know, so you might as well start now, because if o sa sekolong la ka re ona le 30 years sekolong ke 3 years o tlonka entse tla fitla 3 years old, so you might as well 3 years we sebedise ka tsela right. Starta nthongo longo batlang o starta whether batho ba bua batho ba etsang e start wena o etsetsa wena ke go startela wena e etse ntho. So le nna motho ntse ba ngotlo o jetsa hore nna a ke motho out there I ke rata bua ke rata ho keep it to myself, but ke challenges this time ka YouTube and I'm enjoying it to be honest, even though lisa subscribe, but I'm still enjoying it and I'm hoping hore next year re tlo hola re beng more re batlang ho ba teng, and then re tlo vlogger more often, re tlo ba more comfortable with each other, re tlo comment, re tlo share di ideas hore re hodisana jwang hore channel ya rona e ya jwang. So ke kopa le engage le nna guys ka kopa ha re beng kaofela ke channel ya rona kaofela enana. Okay, enough about nali re ke keneng ke le tsa di eyebrows because ke show tlo tlala ke December guys. So ke kwala vlog enana because ke batla to start engwe for Christmas. So guys, ke leboha for support ya lona kaofela bana ntse ba subscribe ba shebelang ba commentang di day ones tsa ka lona mhlang ke reng 1k subscribers obana bilana ke re 100k subscribers ke re 1k subscribers. Lunch is on me lona ba loyal la itseba more. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Mwah.